Hi, in front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Shadow Galaxy, and download this app from this developer. Open it, tap Settings, and customize it however you want. When you're done, go back, click Open, and set Wallpaper. Decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!